Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Spotify Basic versus Premium. We'll explore the core differences between these two popular listening options. Basic, the free tier, includes advertisements and some feature restrictions. Premium, on the other hand, offers an uninterrupted, ad-free experience with a full suite of advanced features. Understanding these distinctions will help you choose the best plan for your music enjoyment. With Spotify Basic, you gain access to a vast library of millions of songs. However, your listening will be interrupted by advertisements that play regularly. You also won't be able to download music for offline listening, which means you'll always need an internet connection. Furthermore, on mobile devices, you are limited to 6 skips per hour, restricting your control over the playlist. Upgrading to Spotify Premium unlocks a world of benefits. You'll enjoy completely ad-free music, allowing for seamless listening sessions. Premium also enables you to download your favorite songs and podcasts, perfect for offline enjoyment without an internet connection. Plus, you get unlimited skips and often access to higher audio quality, enhancing your overall listening experience significantly. Deciding between Basic and Premium depends on your personal listening habits. If you're a casual listener who doesn't mind occasional ads and limited control, Basic might be sufficient. However, for dedicated music enthusiasts who want an uninterrupted, high-quality experience with full control and offline access, Premium is definitely the better choice. A premium subscription typically costs around $10 per month, offering great value for avid listeners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.